Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to fix one of the most common problem beginner programmers face. C++ not running in VS Code. If you are seeing error like G++ is not recognized or your code just wouldn't compile or run, this video is for you. We will walk through the complete setup from scratch and troubleshoot all the problems, errors you may face. So let's start. First, we need to check if MinkW or any C++ compiler is already installed in your system. So we will open the command prompt, checking the version to see if it's already installed. And here you can see that it is already installed with the version. But if you can't see, G++ is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means MinkGW isn't installed or it's not added to the environment variable. So let's fix it. To install it, search for MinkGW compiler, the first web. As you can see, MinkGW GNU for Windows. Click on download. As you can see, it's already downloaded. Open it up, start install, continue. You do not need to change the direction. Here in my PC, it's already installed. So to show you, I will reinstall it. If it's not installed in your PC, it will directly proceed to the installation command. After installation is complete, continue. And here you can see the packages. I have already installed the packages. These are the packages. To install it, you have to click and mark for the installation. This package is not needed. Only the developer toolkit, base, GCC G++, GCC object and base are the one needed. So after you have selected these five, click on installation and apply changes. Just for demo, I will be installing this one. It is not needed. If you install it, that still is not an issue. As you can see, the installation has started. After the installation is complete, you can see all changes were applied successfully. You may now close this dialog. You can close it. You can close this too. Now after installing it, open the Explorer. At the location where it has been installed, you can see the file. Go to bin, right click, copy the path, open environment variable, click on environment variable, double click on the path. Then in your PC, as I have already set it the path, I will just show you how to set a path. Click on new, paste the path, click on OK again, and one last OK. Now to see if the setup has complete, open command prompt, and here we go. G++ version As you already know, it is already installed in mine. You will get the same output showing the version, means it has been installed successfully. Now let's move on to connecting it to VS Code. We will start with installing the needed extension. You should have the C++ extension package. This is must. Second, to run your code, you should have Code Runner. Code Runner will allow you to run the code. Go to File, open folder. You can create a new folder. Let's say it demo. Select the folder. Open a new file. Let's name it demo.c++ and let's write a small code. I'm writing a simple hello world code. Now when you right click it, you can see the command as run code, and here is the output, run code. If you see hello world in the terminal, you are all set. And that's it. Now you know how to fully set up and run C++ in Virtual Studio and fix all the common issue that stop beginners. Hope you can find this video helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner friendly tech tutorials. See you in the next video.